No. So
Just put it on the floor.
when do I get to drive a car again?
You never drove it in the first place. I don't know what you're talking about.
You never drove before?
When do I get to drive your car again? I did good.
Again? What you mean
I
again?
did
You never drove it the first time.
No, I'm being serious.
You ride his car again?
Why don't you tell him the real version before you think something dirty?
What are you talking about?
Because I was
She
like
interviewing you?
I was like, they get to ride your car again? Like, drive your car again? He thought I was like talking all nasty.
Did you ride your car again?
Freak?
No, freak.
Yeah, freak.
She said again, so this must happen before.
Yeah.
Hey, shut up.
That's what.
He's like, yeah.
So like.
What did you do? Let me see.
Yeah. I just have a D team.
Okay, explain your girl problem. When you get a girlfriend, you call girl number 1 and tell them I got a girlfriend. Then you call girl number 2 and tell them you got a girlfriend. And number 3. This is a funny video because you're really not saying anything.
Oh, you really? Turn that off.
You're not answering my question.
Alright,
The process.
Hold on, start over.
Okay, the process when you have a girlfriend, you have all the other girls that you said on your list.
Start it over. We're gonna do an interview. Okay, just start it over.
Okay.